today I'm going to start the first lecture of the force. In first lectures, first of all I'm going to define force. Force means an external agent which changes or try to change the position of body is known as force. An external agent which changes or tries to change the position of the body is called force. It means after application of the force on the body, the position of body may change or may not, but there is application of force. And its SI unit is Newton. Its CGS unit is dyne. 10 to the power 5 dyne is equal to 1 Newton. Another, it is a vector quantity. Force is a vector quantity. Another, what are the effect of force? Effect of force means when we apply force on a body, then what phenomenon occurs? First, effect of force. It can means force can change the position of body from rest to motion and motion to rest Second, force can change the speed of body. Force can change the speed of body. Third, force can change the direction of body. Force can change the direction of body. Fourth, force can change the shape of body. Force can change the shape of body. These all are the effect of the force. First effect is force can change the position of body from rest to motion or motion to rest. Like as if there is a football on rest position, then after applying force, it goes in motion. And reversely, when a football is coming toward us, and when we apply force, then it stops. Then it is due to the application of force. Another, the force can change the speed of body. Suppose like as a body is moving with 5 meters per second. When we apply force in same direction, then its velocity becomes 10 meters per second. It means there is an increase in velocity. Then there is a change in speed of body. Another, force can change the direction of body. Force can change the direction of body, and it can be observed in a football grounds. In football grounds, the player kick the ball and its direction changes time to time. Another force can change the shape of body. Like as if we apply force on a body like as a matchstick box, then its shape changes. It contracts with respect to the previous shape. It means its shape can be changed after application of force. Okay. Another, in force we have to study about rest and motion. Then what is rest? Rest means a body is said to be at rest when it does not change its position with respect to their surrounding. A body is said to be at rest when it does not change its position with respect to its with WRT means with respect to with respect to its position. Is with respect to its surrounding. Is called with respect to its surrounding. Okay. A body is said to be at rest when it does not change its position with respect to its surrounding. Okay. Like as a student sitting on bench is at rest positions with respect to whiteboard, with respect to wall, or with respect to bench. Example, a student students are sitting on the bench, and this is at rest position. Another, motion. What is motion? Motion means a body is said to be in motion when it changes its position with respect to surrounding is known as motion. A body is said to be in motion when it changes its position with respect to its surrounding. Like as here I am working, it means I am changing my positions with respect to this wall, with respect to whiteboard. Then I am in motion. Another, a bus example. Vehicles running on road. Vehicles are running on road. Vehicles are running on the road are in motion. Here actually rest and motion can be identified with respect to surrounding or with respect to another body. If there is no and that another body and from which and the position of the body is determines, that is known as frame of reference. It means with respect to frame of reference only we can say the body are at rest or motions. Without frame of reference we cannot identify the body are in motions or rest, because we already know one body may be at rest with respect to one another body, and that may be in motions with respect to the another. Like as a passenger sitting in a train motion with respect to surrounding, means with respect to the station, and but with respect to the passenger inside the train that are at rest. It means the train is moving or running, then passenger are at rest positions also with respect to the passengers and surrounded to them. And so the rest and motions can identify with respect to the frame of reference. And so here I am going to discussion about the frame of reference or the reference frame. And here relative velocity we are going to first. Then first of all, frame of reference. Frame of reference. What is frame of reference? Frame of reference means a body or object, a body with respect to, which position means rest or motion, or position of body is identified is called frame of reference. Frame of reference. Like as I am at rest with respect to this whiteboard, it means here this whiteboard becomes a frame of reference. Okay. Another, relative velocity. What is relative velocity? Relative velocity means the velocity of object with respect to another, that is with respect to frame of reference. The velocity of body with respect to another body or frame of reference. Is called relative velocity. Okay. It means when we define velocity, then first of all we have to take a certain frame of reference, and then we can identify that body are at rest or motion, and if they have the velocity, then how much velocity that object have with respect to the another, and that velocity compared with their frame of reference. Okay, this much for today in this sessions. Another class I will discuss about the another new topics.